Hey guys, it's Leva here. Second time I filmed this. That was 3 fingers. Second time I filmed this. Let's hope it goes right this time. Basically my card has been a dick and saying I haven't got space on my card, but I have. Long story, I'm not going to go into it now. Anyway, so today I'm doing my empties video. And I don't do these every month because I don't really see the need. I don't have empties every month, so I'd rather just wait and build a few up and then show you what I got then. So yeah, that's kind of how I do my empties videos, but if you are interested in seeing more of my empties videos that I've done in the past, then I will link them down below. Anyway, so basically what I do with this is I just tell you about the product, tell you if I think it was worth it, and if I'm going to be repurchasing it. Yeah, that's it really. So if you're interested in finding out about some of these products that I've been loving or hating this past months, then just keep watching. So actually this month I have a lot of products to get through, so I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can and not take up too much of your time talking and rambling, because I know I like to ramble. But yeah, so I might just skip through a couple and just go through them quite fast, but yeah, if the product's worth it then I'll explain it properly. Let's start with the Beauty Blender cleanser for your brushes, brush cleanser. I picked this up from IMAX last year, so this has lasted me almost a year, about 10 months now, and I really enjoyed using this. It's really good for my bigger brushes, especially now where I'm having to clean my brushes more often because I'm freelancing, so it is a real help for my bigger brushes. I've used something else for my smaller brushes which I'll show you in a minute, but this is what I was using for my bigger brushes. I'm not sure about repurchasing this though, because I picked this up at IMAX like I said, and they were doing a good deal on it. I think in general it's quite pricey. There is one from Real Techniques which I think is pretty much the same thing but for a cheaper price, so I'll probably get that. And then the next thing I have is this Lee Stafford hair growth treatment hair mask. So I would do a hair mask on my hair like every week. Well, I try to anyway, and I'm not really loyal to any kind of hair mask brand. I've got quite a lot of tubs like this stacked up in my bathroom shelf, so I'm not really loyal to it. The next thing I have is this I don't know how to pronounce it, My Moisture Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk conditioner for dry hair. This lasted me quite a while actually for the size of it. It was really good. And I really enjoyed using it. It made my hair feel a lot softer and nourished. I'm not 100% sure I will repurchase this though, because it is quite pricey, so I'm not sure about repurchasing it, but if I see like an offer on it or something, then I probably will get it. There's so many conditioners on the market that it's hard to be like loyal to one brand. I feel the same with shampoo and conditioner, to be honest. I haven't really found one that I think, oh my god, like I need to get it again. I just get what's ever cheapest really, or what's ever like on offer. And then the next thing I have is this Dermalogica like a travel size Dermalogica special cleansing gel. I think I got this in one of my glossy boxes actually, and I really enjoyed using this. The only thing I would say about it is that every time I used it, it was so soapy that it would leave my flannel really soapy too, and I wouldn't be able to get it out, so I would have to keep cleaning my flannel or like getting a new one. The next thing I have is this Berryan Showgirl, nearly dropped it then, Showgirl Extra Volume Black Mascara. I was going through my mascaras because I have so many, and not even new ones, just ones that I've kept for so long because I'm a makeup hoarder basically. I don't like to throw anything out, but I was like, okay, I need to go through my mascaras, and this was one of them because I've had it for like probably 3 years now, which is way too long to be a mascara, and it's just completely dried up. Like I can't use it at all, so I was like, okay, that's done. I mean, this mascara I don't remember using many times, maybe about two or three times. I do love the packaging of it, but I didn't reach for it much, which makes me think that it wasn't that great. So yeah, I won't be repurchasing that one. And then I've got another mascara from Collection, and it's called Killer Curves. I think the same thing applies to this mascara. I just didn't use it and that was all dried up. I've got another cleanser here. This is from Clinique. This is the Liquid Facial Soap Mild. This is also in a travel size. I think this was very similar to the Dermalogica one in the formula. It was like very soapy. So yeah, I don't have much to say about it. I actually prefer the more foamy ones to the soapy ones. And then the next thing I have is this simple Kind to Skin Purifying and Cleansing Lotion. Now, if you can see the state of this bottle, you will probably understand why I got rid of it. I had had it for so long. I used to really love this. Sorry about that. I used to really love this moisturiser. Kind of gone off it now just because I had it for so long and I just kept trying to use it up. I didn't want to throw it out before I used it up. But it is good for, Simple is good for sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin. It's just the one thing I probably would say about this moisturiser, it's very thin, and I do prefer like a thicker, more creamier moisturiser on my skin. So I think I'm done with this product now. The next thing I have is this NYX, it's like a lip balm in this little tub here. I had this for ages as well, like so long, and I really like this actually. It's a very like a very thick lip butter, which is really good for dry lips, and I really enjoyed using it. It would make a great primer for putting on your lipsticks, and it was just a really nice product, and it lasted me so long as well. Like I don't think I've used up any of my lip balms. For me to use it up, I know it must have been decent. And the next thing I have is this Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This is one of my favourite face masks to use. I have a small collection of backups of these because I really like these. They're so good for your skin. Like, I try to do a face mask once a week as well. I probably don't do it once a week, but I do try, and I always try to reach for this one because it's so nice. It smells good. Yeah, all the ingredients here are really nice, really good for your skin, especially if you're breaking out, if you've got oily skin. It does leave your face feeling dry after, so I always put some moisturiser on, but yeah, it's a lovely product. I love this one. Alright, so I've got 3 makeup remover micellar water thingies. I've got 2 of these simple eye makeup remover. Now I have these separate from my micellar water, which I always get Garnier one. Most usually, that's not a word. Usually I will always get the micellar Garnier cleansing water because I've always used it and it just does exactly what I want it to do. So yeah, I always get this one. However, recently I started finding that when I would use it on my eyes, taking my eye makeup off, it would really sting my eyes. So I started using this simple eye makeup remover, which is just like a mini size bottle, and it's much kinder on my eyes. I don't know if I've got sensitive eyes or something, but it really didn't like the micellar water, so I use 2 separate ones. I use the simple eye makeup remover. I think it's more oil based, but I don't like using oil on my skin to get rid of my makeup because I hate feeling greasy, so I prefer the Garnier micellar water for that. But I prefer the simple eye makeup remover for my eyes. I've got 3 more cleansers to show you. I've been going through all my cleansers recently because I had such like a stack of backup / testers that I wanted to get through. So I have quite a few. You might recognise this one from my last Empties video. This is the Tea Tree Body Shop Skin Clearing Foaming Cleanser, and I always go back to this because I absolutely love it. It does the best for my skin. Tea tree oil is so good for your skin. Never had a problem when I've used it. The next one is the Nivea Gentle Cleansing Cream Wash. I feel like there's a little bit left at the bottom, but I don't think I can get it out, so that's why I got rid of it. This one was okay. I didn't love it. Again, I like the foam ones, and this was more of like a cream one with little bits in it. So yeah, it was okay, but not my favourite. And the next one is this miniature Rodile Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. I was really scared that my face was going to stink because it has bee venom in or something, but it didn't. This one was really nice actually. I really like this one. I might have a look into it because it was so nice. It was a little bit oily, but I don't think oil is too bad, especially as you're rubbing it off after anyway, so it's not that bad. It smelled really good, and yeah, it was a really nice product, very smooth. Okay, so I'm going to show you my last makeup bits. So the first thing I have is this very old, god this must be really old because I haven't used this in ages. This is the Lasting Perfection Collection Concealer in One Fair. I don't use this product anymore. I used to use it all the time. I used to repurchase it all the time. It was one of my favourites, but it has been replaced by the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, this one's in C2. I love this product so much, but it's really hard to get hold of. Superdrug sells it, you can get it online I think, but they're always sold out. Like when I get my hands on one of these, it's like gold dust because I can never find them. This is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and yeah, I haven't used the Tarte Shape Tape, so I don't know how close it is, but it's so nice. It's so creamy, it brightens so well, the applicator is amazing. I'm in love with this product. It's so nice. It's my favourite concealer that I've ever used. And the next product I have is this Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen. I love this as well. This lasted me quite a long time. I don't think I don't tend to use up eyeliners, liquid eyeliner pens that often, but this one was one of my favourites, so I use it all the time. It was just really easy to apply. Like if you're a newbie when it comes to eyeliner, you'll find it so easy to use this because it's just a pen like that. But it was really nice to apply, and I just felt like I had a lot of control when I was using it. So yeah, I don't know if I repurchase it because there's so many eyeliners on the market I want to try. And then last but not least, we've got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just the miniature version. I haven't repurchased this actually. I mean, I would use it, it's not awful, but I think it's hyped up a lot and I'm not sure whether the hype is worth it. It's okay, but there are others on the market and there are cheaper ones that are better in my opinion. Alright, so this is the other brush cleaner that I was talking about. This is from Superdrug. It's by the brand B. It's the makeup brush cleaner. I think it's £3 each for a 125ml bottle, and I love this stuff. I repurchased it on the weekly. Like, it's my go-to for cleaning my brushes. It's so easy compared to using like a liquid or like a foam cleanser that you have to then rinse off, because you don't have to rinse this off. You literally pump it on your brushes, wipe your brushes. I use kitchen roll. Wipe your brushes on kitchen roll or whatever you want to wipe it to get the dirt off, and then you're good to go. Like, that's all you do. It's so quick, it's so easy. I haven't found an easier or better brush cleanser so far. The only thing I would say is you can't use it for beauty blender. You can use it for bigger, more fluffy brushes, but it just takes longer. It's a bit of a bath, so I do prefer to use the cleanser, like the Real Techniques one or the beauty blender for my bigger brushes. Which leads me on to the Real Techniques brush cleansing gel, which I really like as well. This one is a 150ml bottle. I'm not sure how much it is. It could be around £10. I can't remember, but I will have it down below so you should be able to see. This one I pretty much think is the same as the Beauty Blender one. I don't see much difference, it's just a little cheaper. And then of course we couldn't have an Empties video without some Batiste, because this is my go-to, especially now I have a kid and I don't always get a chance to wash my hair as frequently as I'd like to. So this is great. Like, you just spritz it in, puff up your hair, and you feel like you washed it, kind of. And we're down to our last two products. Okay, so we've got the Philip Kingsley Bodybuilding Conditioner. I definitely got this in either Glossy Box Advent Calendar or just normal Glossy Box. This was a conditioner. Honestly, on my life, I did not see a difference, and just have to be 100% honest with you. I don't know whether I did it's because I used it wrong, didn't use it enough, didn't use it frequently enough. I don't know, but I didn't see a difference to my normal conditioner. That's what I'm going to say. And then the last product that I have is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturiser. Oh my days, this stuff is so good. It's so nice. This is just a mini size as well. Me and Jack share this moisturiser because we both love it so much, and I think it's gender neutral, so anyone can use it. He's got another one that he's using at the moment, and I am testing out different moisturisers as we speak, so I'm trying not to be like loyal to one brand, because then I feel like you cut yourself off from other brands. But yeah, honestly, this stuff is really good. It's pricey, but it's really good. Okay, and that concludes my Empties video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's any products I should be trying on the market, or anything else that you really like. And yeah, let me know if you have any requests for videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.